MailChimp and Sendinblue are pivotal in email marketing. MailChimp offers robust analytics and automation, ideal for small to medium businesses. Sendinblue, now Brevo, excels in transactional emails and short message service marketing, providing a comprehensive suite for customer engagement. Both platforms enhance business growth through targeted campaigns and detailed insights. Email marketing remains dominant in 2025 due to consumer preference, with 73% of millennials favoring it for branded communications. It boasts conversion power, driving up to 4 times more conversions than social media. Additionally, it is crucial for relationship building, aiding in customer retention, lead nurturing, and fostering long-term brand loyalty. Email marketing software offers tools for designing campaigns, sending targeted messages, and analyzing performance in real time. It allows marketers to create professional emails without coding, ensuring brand consistency. Automate customer journeys with trigger-based workflows, segment audiences for personalized messaging, and integrate with customer relationship management systems and e-commerce platforms for unified operations. MailChimp, founded in 2001, is a leading email marketing platform with over 15 million users globally. Its free plan supports up to 2,000 contacts and 10,000 emails monthly, ideal for small businesses. Advanced features include a drag-and-drop email builder, automation workflows, and an artificial intelligence-powered content assistant for optimized messaging. Founded in 2012 in Paris, Sendinblue, now Brevo, emerged as a pioneering European email marketing solution. In 2023, it rebranded to highlight its expanded multi-channel marketing capabilities. The free plan offers unlimited contacts with daily email limits, integrating email, short message service, advanced automation, customer relationship management, and live chat for comprehensive marketing strategies. Both MailChimp and Brevo excel in engaging audiences through strategic email marketing. MailChimp's strength lies in its contact-based pricing, ideal for smaller, engaged lists. Brevo, however, offers unlimited contacts, focusing on email volume, making it perfect for businesses with large databases. Each platform provides unique tools to foster customer connections effectively. MailChimp's pricing is contact-based, ideal for smaller, engaged lists, with a free tier for up to 2,000 contacts. Brevo charges by email sent, offering unlimited contacts even on the free plan, suitable for large databases with moderate sending. Cost varies with features and volume, impacting small business budgets differently. MailChimp excels with over 200 email templates, AI-driven predictive segmentation, and multi-channel marketing. It offers advanced A/B testing and creative tools. Brevo shines with integrated SMS management, transactional emails, and loyalty programs. It features an AI writing assistant and WhatsApp application programming interface. Both platforms ensure high deliverability and offer comprehensive analytics for campaign insights. MailChimp's Customer Journey Builder offers a drag-and-drop interface for creating workflows with behavioral targeting and conditional logic. Brevo provides event-driven automations for email and short message service with advanced segmentation. Setting up a welcome email sequence is quick, with pre-built templates for scenarios like cart recovery. Define triggers, build sequences, set conditions, and test before activation. MailChimp offers over 250 app integrations, including Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce, creating a robust marketing technology stack. Seamless data flow between platforms eliminates manual entry, ensuring consistency and enabling sophisticated automation. Key integrations with e-commerce platforms, customer relationship management systems, social channels, and communication tools enhance your digital ecosystem's efficiency and responsiveness to customer actions. MailChimp offers an intuitive interface with visual workflows and 24/7 support, making it accessible for new users. Brevo, while feature-rich, requires a learning curve, but provides detailed documentation and responsive support. Both platforms ensure users can efficiently manage campaigns, with MailChimp praised for ease of use and Brevo for its supportive migration process. MailChimp's predictive analytics and send time optimization enhance campaign success, while detailed reports track revenue attribution. Brevo offers real-time reporting, email heat maps, and comprehensive A/B testing insights. Both platforms excel in open, click, and conversion rates, consistently surpassing industry averages in retail and e-commerce when best practices are applied. A local boutique used MailChimp's abandoned cart automation, sending personalized emails with product images and a 10% discount, recovering 30% of abandoned carts and boosting revenue by $4,500 monthly. An online fashion retailer utilized Brevo's short message service marketing for flash sales, increasing short message service-driven revenue by 25% and enhancing customer engagement by 40%. Creating a campaign in MailChimp involves selecting a campaign type, defining your audience, designing the email with a drag-and-drop builder, and scheduling the send. For Brevo, choose an automation trigger, build a workflow with email and short message service steps, test the automation, and activate it. Optimize subject lines, personalize content, and monitor deliverability for success. Both MailChimp and Brevo offer robust features for email marketing success. Choose MailChimp for intuitive design and AI insights, or Brevo for multi-channel automation and CRM integration. Consider your audience size, sending frequency, and marketing goals. Test both platforms with free trials to determine the best fit for your business needs.